So as some of you probably noticed in the video of this running, this spark plug lead actually wasn't connected, and to be honest with you, when I connected it, it didn't run any better. The spark plug lead was actually broken, so I'm after ordering a new set of leads, a new distributor cap and a new coil and a condenser. The condenser in it seems to be working okay, but I don't really know how good it is. Another little issue I had was there was an awful lot of rattling under here, so I had a look and I realised there was a rubber bung there and there was none here. So I'm after going and fitting that from a little box of tricks I had. It just happened to push in, so that's after taking the rattle out of it, so I'm happy with that. Another job I did the other evening was I took off the air filter, washed it out with an air gun filled with petrol, and I'm after replacing the top hose, and I'm also after cutting a bit of pipe there for the carb intake pipe, so I'm after getting that on. I've reused the juggling clip, so I'm not too fussed about that. I also started working on the throttle mechanism there and under there to get some of the slop out of the linkages. There was a bit of free play, and I fitted an ignition light so I know it's charging, and I reused the original chrome bevel from the one that was there. That was in bits. So apart from that, not a whole lot else has been done. So I'm waiting on the consignment of parts to come in. I also have a thermostat ordered, as there's none in it at the moment, and for it to run in kerosene it needs to be up to temperature, so I've picked a 82 degrees thermostat. I'll fit that when I'm fitting the water pump. Taking off this cover, then the timer cover, I have to replace a seal in the governor rod that's leaking. So lining up the jobs and getting them done slowly but surely. Also, there was 2 bolts missing, one here and one the other side, so I'd looked through my bolt and nut box and I found that I put an Imperial spring washer underneath it. There's no spring washers in the others, so I'll take them out and put spring washers to keep them nice and tight. So that is the latest from this project so far.